Welcome to your Exhibitor portal, the place to build your company's profile online. The event website is a great place to generate leads and promote your brand, products and services to visitors before, during and after the show. In a few simple steps, you could increase your visibility online and make the most of your investment and presence at the show. Getting started is quick and easy. Get potential customers excited by showcasing your products and services. Fill in your company profile. Select your company products and services. Upload your logo, sales and marketing material, social media, products and videos. It's absolutely worth the setup time. Companies with richer profiles generate more leads and drive more visitors to their stand. Visitors to the website can send you messages and favorite your content, generating online leads for your company accessible from the Company Leads tab. You can manage all your messages from your portal inbox and we will notify you of any new messages that you receive. Thousands of business connections are made here in preparation for the event, so don't miss out. Build your online profile today and start generating interest in your company before the show.